So Fashion Mantra Exhibitions has organized a 2-day, that is today and tomorrow 6th and 7th of August માટે they've organized a special Rakhi exhibit and they've come here to YMCA અને there are 80 plus stalls over here અને stalls માં બહુ જ સુંદર collection છે. If you're talking about collection, so they have sarees, they have chanya cholis, of course રક્ષાબંધનનું છે તો રાખી પણ available છે. They have silver jewelry, they have ethnic jewelry as well. લડ્ડુ ગોપાલ પોશાક પણ મળી જશે. Casual wear pieces છે, heavy Indian festive wear pieces છે, લખનવી ચિકનકારી છે. They have a wide collection over here. You can come and check the collection out. If you want to check it out online, then swipe left. Okay, so the first brand that we're covering over here, they have some beautiful chanya cholis like these. Okay. They have some long dresses as well. Sizes mari jaise, and they have lots of options when it comes to chanya cholis. Okay. Color options mari jaise. These are layered ones that they have. अलग कलर्स में जोईता होय तो ए पण अवेलेबल है. Okay, let's move on to the next brand that we have over here. They have some beautiful Indo-Western sets, 3-piece suits જોવા હોય તો એમાં options available છે. You can find options like these, heavy, that you can wear for your festive events. Okay, so you have some beautiful options like these over here. Okay, so if you are again looking for jewelry pieces, so available છે. They have some beautiful pieces like these over here. Okay. Alright, they have some pendant sets as well. Okay. Watches માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો watches માં બી options available છે like these. And they have a couple of Rakhis as well. Bangles में options જોઈતી હોય તો ઘણી જ બધી options available છે like these over here. They have some beautiful choices. So if you're looking for any portly bags, then they have variety in that. They have some Abhama dress materials. They also have blouses like these. Okay. Some beautiful blouses as well. Okay, let's move on to the next brand. This brand has jewelry, ethnic jewelry જોઈતી હોય તમને તો એમાં ઘણા જ બધા options જોવા મળશે. They have some beautiful earrings like these that you can wear for your wedding events, for festive events. નવરાત્રીમાં પણ પહેરાય. They have some bangles and kadas.
બુદ્ધ હવે સોફ્ટ છે ને એટલા એ લોકો તમારે આમે પહેરવું
as well. Okay. The next brand over here has some casual wear pieces. You can see these are very soft, lightweight, so perfect for summers as well. They have some dark colors. Okay. These are all 2-piece sets. And the sizes are of course madi jase. So they have options like these. Okay, so there is a Lucknowi Chikankarini brand over here and they have some beautiful pieces. They have some gorgeous kurtas like these over here. Pearl work sathena pan options available here. They have some shirts as well like these. Short tops available here. They have dress materials as well. 3-piece suits jo kai joitu hoy with sharara to ema pan options available here. If you're looking for some cute kids collection, the kids collection ma bhi options are available like these. Ages so cha
Sorry, what?
Ages?
I have 16, so a year to 12.
A year to 12 years. Okay. Looking for something in Gamthi, Kachhi, Rabari work, then emni paas options છે. They have dhotis, chanya cholis, they have long gowns. Men's wear ma options છે. They have zipper tops like these. They have blouses as well. And again, lots of options to choose from. Okay, so if you're looking for dress materials, they have lots of dress materials to choose from. You can check out the options over here. થોડા અનસ્ટિચ ડ્રેસ મટીરિયલ્સ છે એમની પાસે. બેગ્સ પર્સીસ જોઈતી હોય તો એમની પાસે એમાં ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. They have lots of options like these over here. Okay. And they also have some hair accessory items like these. ફેન્સી ફૂટવેરમાં ઓપ્શન્સ જોતા હોય તો એમાં પણ ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે, સાઇઝીસ પણ મળી જશે. લખનવી ચિકનકારીમાં ઓપ્શન્સ જોઈતા હોય તો ચિકનકારીમાં બી ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. We have lots of pieces to choose from. Dress materials for 1300 and 1500 available છે. You can see lots of options are available. You have options like these that you can choose from. Chanya cholis joiti hoy if you're looking for blouses like these, and if you are looking for some beautiful sarees, so ema pan options available hai. Okay, they have options in black as well, multiple color options mali jase tamne aiya. Okay, again, if you're looking for chanya cholis, if you're looking for some beautiful blouses and pieces,
Everything are in 10 meters and a pure cotton.
pure cotton and 10 meters no gher છે બધા.
And 10 meters all.
Okay, so they have bed sheet options like these, they have pillow covers, they have bags, duvets જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options
Runners
available
bhi
છે.
are.
They have runners as well. Okay, so like these, lots of options again to choose from. These are double bed sheets?
Yeah, king size.
King size, okay. Again, if you're looking for jewelry options, something that you can wear to weddings, to festive events, Navratri માં પણ પહેરવી હોય તો એવી jewelry options available છે. And they have a pure 9 to 5 ની range as well, like this over here. Okay. And of course, if you're looking for ornaments and ramakda joita hoy for Laddu Gopal Poshak, તો એમાં પણ options available છે like these. Okay, so this brand has chanya cholis. They have lots of blouses available. Okay, let's take a look at the blouses. Okay. She has some beautiful pieces over here, and she also has a couple of chanya cholis. If you're looking for pure 9 to 5 silver jewelry, तो यहाँ पर options available है like these. Okay, so they have some beautiful pieces like these over here. Earrings my options है. They have bangles and rings. They have bracelets as well. कोई western wear options जोईता होए तो they have western wear options as well. They have tops like these and dresses. Okay, so they have a very colorful collection over here and lots of options again to choose from. Okay, toran joiti hoye if you're looking for some Gopal Poshak, emni પાસે options available છે like these. Okay, and they also have some envelopes like these. So if you're looking for an all white collection, they have tops, they have kurtas and something of the sort that she has worn. Okay, it's a 3-piece suit and they have lots of options available. Blouses ma pan hai. If you're looking for ghagra cholis for Navratri, to ema pan options available hai. Okay, coming back to jewelry, they have options in rings like these. Pretty heavy jewelry joiti hoy, so they have options in those. Okay. They have some bangles and kadas as well. And necklaces, earrings ma pan options.